Hey guys, so we're gonna start moisturizing our skin, and I'm just gonna spread it all around as so. Then we're gonna move on with my True Match foundation, W3 I believe, and I'm just gonna pour some behind my hand and just dot it around my face. Also, can we talk about my pink hair, guys? I am so glad I did it. Actually, me recording this, it's already been like a few days since I've done this makeup look, but I am gonna go even more pink, so be excited for that. I am vlogging everything, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna use my concealer now. There we go, Kayla, snap out of it. We're gonna put it under our eyes to brighten. We're also gonna put it in the bridge of our nose as well. A little bit on the chin area. I'm not sure if I did a little bit on the forehead, but we're gonna put some there. Maybe, maybe not. No, we didn't. So we're just gonna blend. Make sure you really blend underneath your eyes, guys. I cannot stress that enough. That causes the creasing under your eyes, so make sure you blend. As you can tell, my foundation and this concealer are a little bit different shades, obviously. So blending is your best friend, guys. Now with Airspun, we're gonna go ahead and bake, as I love to say, but I'm actually just gonna put it and press it onto my under eyes and my nose bridge, the bridge of my nose, and we're gonna move on and do our eyebrows. Yes, girl, you guessed it. So I am not going to be using the Revlon. I hate it. Actually, at that point I realized that I didn't even have any anymore because it broke off. Do not guys, do not buy that. It is horrible. So I use my Benefit Gimme Brow, the little brow gel. I love that. Like, I recently did my eyebrows and it's my best friend, guys. I promise you, you're gonna love it. So moving on, we're gonna go ahead and clean up our brows because with that gel you don't really feel too much, so we're just gonna clean it up to make it look really nice and clean and sharp, make it look like there's some pencil involved. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. The palette I'm gonna be using is Bling Boss. As you can tell, I'm gonna be using Hush Hush, Glitz and Glam, Sparks, and Bling Bling from the palette, sticking only to pinky tones, hence my hair. So that's what all we know right now, pink and more pink. El castillo de tu piel. Soy el agua que mata tu sed. El castillo. Este celo me vas a dar. Oh, this one. Este celo me vas a dar. Oh, this one. Este celo. Went ahead and took out Ring the Alarm from the same collection, using the red tones to deepen up that outer corner, bringing it to your under eyes as so.
Sudden death, go!
taking the same palette, we're gonna go ahead and dip our brush into Lolly, and we're gonna be using that on the half cut crease to brighten up the look. I then went ahead back to Bling Boss because that pink was a little bit too dark, and I went ahead and used Glitz and Glam in the inner corners. I'm gonna show you right here, and I'm gonna take it into the inner corner as so, just to brighten up the look a little bit because we don't want the half cut crease to wash out with all of the rest of the pink. So that is what I'm doing right now. Okay, finally that I brushed off all of the bake, I'm going to now start contouring using the True Match in the shade Cappuccino. Okay, now taking the Sugar Peach palette from Too Faced, I'm going to be using the two pinky blushes on the apples of my cheeks.